quick video to show you how I am doing a sawmill with my Husqvarna and my Skilled chainsaw. What I'm doing, I've seen other people do, is take nails, put it in, and then you have the string, and then you cut a line next to the string, and then you can take the string away, and then you have a perfect line. The problem with that is that moves, right? So what I did is I took my chalk line and I ran the chalk line all the way down and all the way down. Now, this tree is this log is 8.5 inches. So we're doing about 2 3/4 on each board. This board here in the middle is going to be a little bit smaller, but I'm going to cut those lines on the outside to take into consideration the thickness of the chain. But good tip, if you want to make boards yourself, like these right here. The first board was made with nails, and then I will show you what this board with a chalk line comes out to be. All right, usually what I would do is take these boards and they would be upright like the first one was, just so I can get more of a perfect cut. But I wasn't planning on making this video. I don't have my tripod, and I wanted to get the video done as quick as possible so you can see how quick you can make boards. So in 9 minutes and 40 seconds, under 10 minutes, I made these boards. Like I said, if I would have been sitting upright, it would have been as smooth as this first one. But I wasn't, so this one's rough. But it doesn't matter because this is going on a raised bed. So we have two and a half inches, 2.5 inches, 3 inches. Over here, let's see, definitely didn't cut these, so 2.5. So I kind of went quick, like I said, but you can get more precise. That's 2.5, and that's 2.5. So those two boards are precise. This one has a little bit of a slant to it. That's it, guys. Quick and easy DIY sawmill. Okay, with cutting the tree down, it took me about 2 hours to cut 13 2x8 by 8s. I would say that's pretty good. I'll try to put something on the side here to how much board foot that is and how much that would cost if you were to have it cut or go to the store. But overall, I think we did pretty good in such a short period of time, and that's one tree, and that will give me 4 raised beds, 16 inches tall.